In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access notifications. Then tap on App Notifications at the top and click on blue switcher next to any app from which you want to block them. You can switch them back on by hitting the same now gray switcher. If you want to, you can also select one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!